In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the camera in Connect and View. Connect and View allows you to connect a camera to your PC to magnify, scan and read printed documents or view in a whiteboard in a classroom. I'm using a printed document in this demonstration. Click the Connect and View button in the visual menu in the Mode section. Press or hotkeys Alt plus numpad Enter. Hold down the caps lock key and press the middle mouse button to switch to the viewer interface. I'm using a printed document in this demonstration. Press the zoom buttons to magnify your document. Press the rotate image button for increments of 90 degrees rotations. Press the change colour scheme button to select a colour view of your choice. Press the padlock to lock the document in place.